It's actually gorgeous. But I don't know. Let me know if you like the cement floors better or if you like the wood floor better. The ceilings are tall as fuck. Hey guys, what's up? It's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm in a different location today. I'm actually in Los Angeles, if you can tell by the change of scenery. So this is officially part 2 of my apartment hunting series. If you guys saw my last apartment hunting video, you would know that I have been considering moving for about like a year now, and I'm checking out 3 different cities. So the first city that I looked at was Phoenix, Arizona. The second city I'm going to look at is San Francisco, California, currently where I live. And then now I'm checking out Los Angeles, California. So I'm here for, let's see, I leave on, oh, thank you. Oh. So I'm here, I got here on Tuesday. Today is currently Thursday, and then I'm here till Saturday. I'm staying with my 2 friends, Kelly and Nathan. I used to work with both of them. I love them to death. We've been having the best time this week hanging out. So today I'm going to check out an artist loft in North Hollywood, which dude, these lofts are so fucking cool. And the apartment complex has like a really nice pool and a gym and all this stuff. And then, and the ceilings are like super high. So I'm actually just really excited to see what that's like. And then I'm checking out more like classic style apartments in different locations. So I'm really excited to compare all the places and show you guys what's in all these spots. Anyway, let's get into it. It's really echoey in here because it's completely empty and not staged, okay? But this is the first apartment, and so this is like the artist lofts vibes. It's definitely one of those spaces that when it's decorated super nicely, it looks sick, but like right now it just looks very empty. That's where you walk in, and then over here, they have an in-unit washer and dryer if you want it. So then from there over here before the kitchen, they do have a decent sized walk-in closet. To be honest, I have a lot of clothes, but I feel like I could fit all of my clothes in here, no problem. So there's a bunch of shelves on this side, and it goes even back here. So there is definitely a good amount of space. I do love the vibe of the floors because you could, you know, there's no carpet, so you can put down like nice rugs that you like. Over to this side, there's the bathroom. Not obsessed with it, but whatever. So when you walk in, there's this mirror with the sink and cabinets underneath. Okay, you guys know from my last video, I said that I hated these textured walls, but then one of you guys told me that it stops noise. It like helps noise, so maybe I should like that. I just don't like how it looks, but whatever, it's fine. So then there's a little medicine cabinet mirror, whatever, toilet, whatever. And then this is the shower. And then there's a bath. The ceilings are tall as fuck. And then this would be the kitchen area. So it's just all against the wall. So you could have like a dinner table there or something. And then over here is the kitchen area, which is nice, like it looks nice. There's a lot of counter space. The sink looks new. And it's like nice and deep. They have a dishwasher, fridge, cabinets. Let's see what's up here. Cabinets, they go really far back. And this is cool, this texture right here. It's very just like modern stale colors. So like basically if I was moving in, I would make sure like I had colorful things to put in here to give it some more life. Over here, dining table, then you could have like, I don't know, either your living room here, then your bed. Like it's fucking massive. So. So I just got to the second apartment. So it's the same apartment, the layout and everything. The square footage is even the same, but the floor in this apartment is a different color. So this one is also on the 3rd level, but the floor in here is like this warm toned wood. And then you walk in, the windows are placed more on a corner, and this is the kitchen. And this definitely feels warmer. It's the exact same layout. I definitely like it, but I was obsessed with the cement floors because it's like such the vibe of the space. But I don't know. Let me know if you like the cement floors better or if you like the wood floor better. But yeah, this one also gets a lot of light. I think it's on like a quieter street. Oh, but this one is also a little bit cheaper than the last one because it doesn't have a balcony, so keep that in mind. Okay, so this is apartment number 3. This is definitely like a classic 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. It's definitely modern, newly renovated. This was in an apartment complex where the tour wasn't self-guided, so I had someone with me, so I didn't want to talk to you guys, but the layout of the bedroom was a little funky, but nonetheless, it was actually beautiful, and the whole building was brand new. It was definitely a higher price point than I would want to pay. It was actually like $2,500 a month, which I feel like is a lot. The kitchen was great. The kitchen was beautiful. It was all new, very modern and clean. All the appliances were new. Yeah, but this particular layout I wasn't the biggest fan of. This was the second layout that I saw while I was there, which I definitely liked better. It felt more spacious and more homey. And then this one was actually inward facing. This apartment was inward facing. So when you look out the windows, it looked at the pool. And the pool was great. Actually, all the amenities are like gorgeous. It's just a very high price point to like live alone, I feel. Plus on top of that, you have to pay utilities and things. So I feel like I'm just not there yet. But if you see, there's like, you look through and there's the pool right there, which I like. I'm in the car with Nathan and Kelly. Well, this is Kelly.
Hi.
Nathan.
Hello.
I'm staying with them. Their lease ends in June, so they were like, wait, we want to go apartment hunting. So we all got ready and we were about to go look at apartments in Glendale, but then we were like, fuck, they'll close at 6 and it's like 5:20. So what are we doing instead?
We're going on like Larchmont Boulevard, kind of close to like Beverly Grove area because it reminds me of SF and there's a lot of dessert and foodies.
It does kind of, it looks like the Mission.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't like that part of the
Way of
Mission.
describing it.
Right? It has like all the things
Like the
outside.
nice parts of Mission, yeah.
Yeah, the nice, like Valencia.
Yeah, Valencia, that's what I was talking about.
Oh my god, but I do like all of the streets have these palm trees.
Yeah. But on trash day, they literally put their trash cans in the middle of the fucking street. Like not even like, oh, on the sidewalks. Like look at that. It's not good.
You guys, it's in the road. So I want to give you guys a couple of updates on the apartments that I saw today really quick. So I went to go see the artist lofts. They were huge, and the one with the balcony, that was the most expensive one, and that was like $2,200 a month, which is like $700 for the same size apartment that I saw in Phoenix, Arizona. So
$700?
$700 more.
Oh shit.
But they're the same size.
Yeah.
Obviously there's a price difference just for like where you're living, but even for that price in San Francisco, I don't think I would have been able to find anything like that modern or like at least renovated for that price, because everything in San Francisco is kind of old. So what I've gathered is that LA is, you know, more expensive than Arizona and cheaper than San Francisco. So
Like middle.
Yeah. But I really liked the loft, so that's kind of a winner in my books. Hey guys, it is day 2 of apartment hunting and I am, oh shit, wait for another ride. It's day 2 of apartment hunting. I was on Craigslist this morning and I last minute found an opening for a place that I think is so cute. I'm waiting for the guy to give me a tour, but it's closer to Hollywood and West Hollywood. It's more central, and it's like they have a 2-bedroom and a 1-bedroom, and there's just no pool. But I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom, but I just looked at a 1-bedroom, and I kind of love this place. They're fully remodeled, and no one has lived in these before. So we'd walk into the dining room. Over here we got the kitchen. It's actually gorgeous. And this is in Larchmont Village. I literally went to dinner in Larchmont Village last night and I really liked it. And then I just looked at Craigslist and I found this, and the property manager was like, oh, I'm here right now if you want to come. So why don't you stop by? And they have, some of them have balconies and like the doors. There's not a pool or anything like that, but they're stunning. And like, I love those windows. It's just, it's very homey. Very homey for sure. Stunning. Oh, that's actually nice. I didn't see this yet. It's like a big closet.
Can I prove it now?
Okay, guys, so go check it out. So it is a couple. Basically, we came out to Glendale. We wanted to see some apartments that were a little further out of the city because you're gonna get so much more for your money. So this apartment is within the same budget as the other ones I was looking at, but it's just so much more, I guess, luxurious. So this is the kitchen. I'm obsessed with the floor to ceiling windows. Like, that's kind of just everything.
This is like everything. Like, you'll get good lighting, like, no matter what. Like, at any
Yeah, it's
time.
everything. And also kitchen.
But it's still like nice.
It's nice and modern. It's like clean and white and modern. And there's a little balcony over here. So yeah, this is Glendale, I guess. You know that TikTok where it's like, this isn't the land, this is Glendale. That's how I feel right now. Oh, is this the master? Oh, so two.
Kind of cool. Like, it's like a.
Oh, for your
sliding
towels
door
and
for the-
stuff.
Where's the light? Let's see. Nice. Nice.
We're like, let's see how it looks. Ooh, the closet's nice and big.
That's cute.
We love that. So yeah, this is basically how it looks. So you walk in. Oh, and then it's honestly huge. So the washer and dryer. And this is 1,200 square feet. So it's a lot bigger for a 2-bedroom. 1,200 square feet. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
That's what I'm wondering.
I feel like the living room area is a little bit thin. Cause like, what if you want like a big couch and like a TV?
Yeah, I think you
I feel
always
like it'd be a little bit difficult to figure out. Like,
think they'd probably have you put like the dining table here and the living room here, but it's like awkward.
it's really small.
Like the TV.
It's like really small.
Yeah. This is very interesting to see the difference. Like, this is a lot nicer than any of the LA ones.
Yeah.
Like-
true.
And the price was, what was it you said?
It's the same price as what I was looking at.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's like 20 in the 2000s, I guess, but it just feels.
No, there's a Porto's across the street.
A what?
Porto's? It's like a famous bakery.
Oh. Oh my god, oh my god. That had a G-Wagon, oh my god. I'm too broke to be here. Someone get me out. Escort me out. Dude, do you think any of these are empty and we could just squat? Like, do you think? Bro, I'm gonna squat in that one.
Well, I'm like, when those construction workers leave from that first one, we'll go in.
Oh my god, you guys. I'm unwell! Hey guys, I am currently back home in San Francisco in my itty bitty little room. I've never sat in this spot before, so kind of interesting. I had a really good week apartment hunting in LA. I honestly didn't expect to like it that much, which is so interesting. I really enjoyed my time there and I really liked some of the apartments that I found. Obviously, you guys saw that I went with my 2 friends to even go look at an apartment in Glendale. I really wanted to cover as much ground as possible with seeing all of the areas available. So I'll give you guys a rundown basically of pricing. So when I went to go look at Phoenix, Arizona for the apartment that I liked, my favorite apartment was $1,500 to $1,600 a month. It was right in between that. And my favorite apartment that I went to go look at in LA was actually $2,000 a month. So it is quite a bit different. The apartment that I looked at in LA was actually bigger, which was interesting. It was in a very safe neighborhood that I really liked. It was called Larchmont Village, but it was obviously $500 a month more expensive, which is a lot of money overall to be paying for rent every month, but obviously you're living in a bigger city, so it's going to be more expensive to live there, and just things like that. I know it gets good weather there. It's young there. A lot of people from my job are there, so you know, it's something to think about for sure. But the apartment hunting series is not over because I still haven't started my San Francisco edition. So if you guys are wanting to see me apartment hunt in San Francisco, that's going to be the next version of this series. And that one, literally just buckle the fuck in, because apartment hunting in San Francisco is no joke. It's no fucking joke. It's like, it's much harder to even get a viewing of a place, and prices are much more expensive than that. So I'm super excited to show you guys what San Francisco has to offer, and let me know down below what your favorite apartment was, because I'm torn between the loft and the classic style apartment, like the classic kind of like homey one. I was obsessed with both of those, so I'm having a hard time pick what I like, but yeah, a little bit tempted to actually think about moving there more seriously, I'm not going to lie. But let me know down below what your favorite one was, what your opinion is, and I would love to hear your feedback on neighborhoods in LA that you like. I really like the Larchmont Village one. That was so cute. The fucking search continues. Look at us. I feel like so adult doing this. It's actually crazy. The San Francisco version is coming very soon, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel for that one. You guys can also go ahead and follow me on Instagram to keep up with me there. I did story all of those places and I saved them as a highlight if you guys want to go watch that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.